Ever since the whole saga between Annie Macaulay and Two-Face Idibia, ever since she returned back, we all know the story. How they go dump her there and how God take run out for her. How she take return back even after Two-Face come tell us in own side of the story. Come yarn wetin in yarn wey they no hack in account. And as such, waiting that okay he be never tell us the story finish. Say when Annie return back, she go come talk her own side so that he go get waiting he go chook mouth put. But as Annie return, wey she no talk anything, she just enter her shell, enter house, decide to leave everything for God. Two-Face come dey see her like maybe Annie is a fool to have kept him quiet and not say a word. And even the other way round, even family you know say they say keep everything wey be family matter off social media. According to the information, say even out of social media, Annie just kept mute. She is not saying anything. Even when Two-Face mama call Annie, say make dem come together, take look for Two-Face, make dem capture am back from Natasha hand. Annie still stand on the ground that make dem go capture their son and their brother. Say she and Two-Face no get anything in common. Na children now na im join them. And as such, she dey pray say for her children's sake, nothing wey go do am. But if na for say make she go dey look for Two-Face for them, or make she fit redeem Two-Face from Natasha hand, she no go do am. Now maybe na that her quietness, that being silent and allowing God to take the lead, whether na that one come dey make Two-Face and Natasha feel say they can trample upon Annie any day, anytime. Na only God na im know. My people, as I dey tell una like this, so Natasha don push Annie to the limit, because ever since Annie return, na Natasha just dey do some kind things, all because of say whether na because she dey feel say if she no do all these things, maybe Annie go later forgive Two-Face and get back to him. Na only God know why Natasha dey do all the things wey she dey do. Because una remember say Two-Face brother bin don come tell us say even getting to answering Two-Face call and even responding to chat, people's commenting, and Natasha na im dey do am. All the things wey Two-Face dey come post, wey think say na Two-Face dey post am, say no be Two-Face dey post am, na Natasha na im dey post am, all because she want to pepper Annie, so that Annie go talk am for her mind say e be like say Two-Face don move on o, make me to move on. She no know say Annie came in another dimension. Now they come dey push Annie. The other time Natasha came up with an idea, say make Two-Face comot all the next of kin wey im put for the document of im property wey him and Annie take settle down build together o. Say make him comot am for im children, wey because according to wetin we hear, say Two-Face already allocate virtually all the things wey im get to every pikin. No singular pikin, whether the one wey Annie born o, the one wey Sumbo born o, the one wey Pero born o, all im children, they don get where they belong. They don get wetin be their own, with the hope that many more will come. But for the ones wey they don get already, they don allocate am to everybody. All of a sudden, Natasha came and was like, let Two-Face change everything and put it back on his name. Say they no dey do like that. I am like, how they no take dey do am like that? But who are we to talk when Natasha, the queen of Two-Face heart, don talk? Now they come dey push Annie to the limit. The house where Annie dey, Two-Face start dey shout, I want to use it, I want to use it, please leave, I want to use it, just like that. Come put Annie for katikati. They put Annie to dey look for house up and down. Even when Annie told him she is looking for a place, definitely she will leave, but she's still looking for a place where she will put rest her head and that of her children, and she no want anyhow place. Make Two-Face give her time. So Two-Face dey rush her because Natasha allegedly dey push Two-Face, make him do am, make him do am. God, as God will have it, na so God send person wey come wipe away Annie's tears, making it look like you no need to go dey find rentage again. Na your own na you go still go, make you no panic. Dem come later buy house for Annie. At the end of the day, still Natasha dey push Annie, dey push Annie, dey push her, dey push her. Sotey Two-Face open mouth. Two-Face wey like Annie children like say tomorrow no dey, based on girls wey dem be, and you know the relationship between female children and their papa na 5 and 6. And Two-Face im kuma, according to the information, say all the children wey the mama get, una remember that when the mama do birthday, she say na 4 children she get and all of them na boys. So she no even get female child. So you see how the value wey dem get for any female child wey Two-Face get no be here own. Now Two-Face wey love Annie children, all of a sudden e come dey talk say im property, even if you wan reshare am, e no go share am go where the girls dem dey. Na im me I dey even dey talk say, at this stage, this kind generation wey we dey like this, who even dey wait for im papa property? Wey be say sometimes some children go even, their grace go come even big pass their papa own. They go even get pass their papa. Who really dey wait for papa property? Say property im no dey give female, na male na im wan give when the time come, but for now im don change everything to im name. Na wetin dem take justify that act of Natasha coming to say make Two-Face change everything. Na im Two-Face say na im decide, say nobody push am, say and im put everything for im name so that im go come calm down do am by himself. And also im the female, they no need anything, say they go later go their husband house go acquire things for there. This one that one, e just use that one cover up, not knowing say Annie dey underground dey do wetin she dey do. At the end of the day, they ended up in court despite all Two-Face connection, because you know say as Natasha and Two-Face dey, automatically all Natasha people and her connection go dey for Two-Face. Now Annie too, in the other end, she no get people but she get God. And besides, na God na im dey run am, no be by connection. And all the people wey dem dey with Annie na people wey be say dey genuinely love her from the heart. E.g. dem Tiwa Savage, Toke Makinwa, and so many others. Even Regina Daniel is also part of the people standing gidigba for Annie Macaulay. Now, as they carry the matter go court on top of that property matter, say talk, see, oh, just like that, oh, I know say on a normal time, I'm not supposed to be doing this, but it has gotten to where it has gotten to, that it even got to a stage where Two-Face will have to tell my children to apologize to Natasha before he will pay their school fees, before he will pay for Isabella's TP, flight tickets down to outside to go school. I know say Isabella no be Nigeria na im she dey, na Olivia na im dey school for Naija. Isabella na US, na outside country she dey school. And as she come for holiday, she supposed to go back. Make Two-Face bring money, e start dey give story. She need to apologize. They need to come together and apologize to Natasha for not wishing them happy married life, for not coming to check up on them, for this, for that. He was just saying lot of things. Now Annie say enough is enough. I shouldn't be here saying all these things. Na so as they carry the matter go court, connection, so that Annie go fit lose everything. She go fit lose her mouth, lose the one wey belong to the children. Already una don collect everything for Annie hand. Annie don leave am for you. I wonder the one wey come belong to the children again, you wan still collect am? Wetin really you dey find for Annie body? Na that one I never fit still understand. Na so na im dem come say, with all the connection wey Two-Face get, wey Natasha dey gather for am, na Annie na im dey see say e still dey win this case. Because according to the information now, say court don tell Two-Face say make him go sit down again. A lawyer now tell am say make him go think about this very matter, because if dem draw am go draw am come, Annie fit later win this case and nothing him go later get. So make him go sit down, make dem settle out of court, make him go apologize to Annie and settle out of court so that the matter no go escalate become another thing entirely wey go make judge go come talk say all the whole property now they need to give am all to the children or this or that. Make you no dey stand on that fact say they are female children and there are some things you cannot will to them, this that that that. It is not justifiable. All children are children. This very generation wey we dey now, nothing like female, nothing like male. No be female sef dey even dey help their parents now pass even the male. No one wey no dey help, but you no need to come make am look as if the female they are useless, they no get worth, or Annie made a mistake to have given birth to them for you. It is uncalled for. E no really make any sense. Abi my people, wetin una think? Now like this, according to wetin we dey hear now, they don tell Two-Face and Annie make dem go settle the matter out of court, because if they allow the case proceed, Two-Face might end up losing everything, like everything, literally everything. Im go lose am. Omo, is God not wonderful? They say when a woman is silent, don't push her, because that moment where you push her to the limit, you push her, push her, push her. If she decide to talk, e go be o. If she decide to talk, it will definitely be. At this point, she never even say anything to Two-Face. Na everything don dey gaba gaba like this. If she can't talk, na im be say im own don finish be that na. Abi my people, wetin una thought? Wetin una dey think? Say Annie, more advice to Annie to know how to go about this thing. Do you guys still think they should settle out of court, or she should still press on the fact say make dem continue with the case for court, let them call a spade a spade? Make una come make we interact. But like this, na Annie will definitely win, and the lawyer wey dey represent Two-Face was wise enough to tell Two-Face say with the way wey im dey see am dey go so, if he no careful, he go lose everything, because everything no be by connection. Now they say they won't go settle out of court with Two-Face apologize. Imagine Two-Face where you go know say e be like say that thing wey im mama talk, small truth dey inside, say Two-Face dey control am. Na the mama talk am, no be me o. Say they give am bead for neck and for hand. E be like say that thing dey control am, because for once e go dey apologize to Annie. Before you know, e go change again, start dey drag Annie. The whole thing, e dey get me worried. Say God abeg o, save Two-Face. Save me, save me, save me from myself. Say make dem save am o. Na joke like joke. No be lie im dey lie o. E need this saviour. But na when the saviour wan come now, na we no know. My people, omo, make una pray for Two-Face o. Make una pray for am o. Because 1 minute he is okay, another minute he don enter another level. At this point now, lawyer don talk say make e no try am, make e no come lose all in once. As in all in one, make e no come lose everything at once. My people, make una come make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Let me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.